This is Mos William here, and welcome back to our YouTube channel UX Meet AI. In this video, I will show you how you can create your creative AI mobile app Figma Make. So I will show you everything in this video. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any tutorial video, because we will create definitely will create like multiple AI videos for you. Now what I want to show you today is the mobile app, how you can create your generate your creative mobile app from any screenshot you have or anything, or you can also create it from prompt. So let's start it with giving one screenshot which I have, so you know that this mobile app I have created and also uploaded on YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, right? So let me just get this screenshot and put this screenshot on this Figma Make, and then you will see how this Figma Make will generate the same exact workable clickable mobile app just in a seconds, right? Or maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So let me just show you. You just have to enter create this create mobile app from the attached screenshot I provided. Make this exactly same as you see. Now I just have to click on this icon, and once I done this, then you can see this Figma Make is like building the idea and generating this design, the same exact design which I have created in the like past years. So you will just see the design in few minutes. So you can see right now it's like generating the new design, right? So you can also see the coding here, like this Figma Make also does the coding beside the attached screenshot I provided. Make this exactly same as you see. Now I just have to click on this icon, and once I done this, then you can see this Figma Make is like building the idea and generating this design, the same exact design which I have created in the like past years. So okay, now you can see like yeah, this is done, and yeah, I think yeah, it is fixed. So you can see over here this mobile app is done. So this is like clickable prototype, and see how Figma Make is powerful and like generated the same mobile app uh, for us, right? So yeah, we can also like change the color. You can just enter make the cards more prominent, make the cards more prominent. Right now it is right now those cards are merging with the background color, right? So you just have to enter this prompt, and then you will see the magic. Okay, with the background color, make this okay. Now you can see like this is done. So you can see like this is amazing. Like Figma Make has like polished this much better, and you will see once I click over here. So once I click over here, you can see this graph, the KPI cards and other like cards over here. So this is much better from the previous lookup, right? So yeah, that's amazing. Figma Make is really good for us, and we can like create like more and multiple mobile apps, multiple websites from this from doing the prompt, like, and we can like just give us our idea to generate like mobile app and website, logo design, anything you can like make with Figma Make. Okay, and just give prompt. Also you can like give references, screenshots. This from the screenshot from references, Figma Make will create the exact same design for you, right? So this is like amazing. So that's all in this video which I want to show you on this mobile app. So that's all, and I hope you understand this video, and if you really like this video then please hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel because we will create more content related to AI. And thank you so much for your time, and I will see you later.